Good morning, everyone. Another beautiful day. Got some steps laid in yesterday, and that's what we're doing next. Hear them birds chirping, Benny? They're singing for you, bud.
There was a good one earlier. I don't know what happened to it.
I pulled the camera out. He's camera shy. Anyway, thanks for coming back to the people who have been keeping up with this job. We're on day 4 now. We have this area right here set up for another step. We're going to be hooking the clamp onto it. We're going to bring it on over here and set it. So let's just get right into it. Felt that one in my glutes. Alright. So we're just using this plastic here to protect the surface of the step from the metal on the clamp. So every part of this clamp is movable. The handle with the clamp part attached can go to any hole. The adjustable clamp part that Ben's moving now can go to any hole. And we also have the hook on the top. Has a lot of different options depending on the center of gravity of the thing you're picking up. So, made by Pave tool, Quickie BL980. Very nice clamp. We're very happy with it. It's $1,200 though. $1,200. Worth every penny. Oh. Ah, one hole. One hole. I'll hold it like this. Put it back. Yeah, that's gonna do it.
It's pretty smart engineering.
It's awesome.
The simplicity is what helps.
That's why I like the clamp more than the vacuum, you know? Simple. I think yours has to come over a little bit. It looks like a pretty decent spot right there, bud. Pin looks like it's centered. All set. So this clamp is excellent, but the steps we're using are irregular and not very centered or even on each side, so the clamp just has a hard time picking them up perfectly even. So we got the majority of it, and Ben's using that little 2x4 to steer it the way that we need it to go and make sure we can lay it down in the right spot. Alright guys, we got another step in. Did a little messing around. We're gonna end up having this, we have to build an outer wall on this right here. So we're gonna build this up, and we're gonna do a gradual curve until we're going straight on with our stairs, our front stairs. So that's the plan. Right now we got to excavate a little bit more than original. Everything from that paint line in needs to come out. So I'm gonna bring the machine up and we're gonna dig that out. We are excavated over here, backfilled, compacted, ready to build our sidewall. Our sidewall, starting here up to the top of this step. We're going to continue it down into the grade, and this is going to be on the inside of that wall is going to be a paver landing until we get to a point on a grade where we switch it with another step or two. I'm going to work on this wall, build it up to our grade, and Ben's next step is to start grading and screeding for our walkway down here. You excited, Benny?
I'm excited.
Should be.
Excited?
I'm excited. Leave me alone. Cut it out.
Quit it.
So you guys are going on a time lapse while we get going and do that. Okay, so I'm going to build a sidewall for the steps and the landings going up our grade to our front staircase. And while I do that, Ben is going to prep this first walkway area, the first landing from the driveway to the set of steps. So he's getting it leveled out and pretty much ready for our screed rails. If you need to know more about our screed rails, check out the channel. I got a lot of videos on how we set grades and everything with these pipes, and make the areas that we're going to be laying our pavers the right pitch and the right grade. So check out some videos on my channel for more information on that. Update time. We got our landing wall built. So now we got to backfill this area. I put a layer of geogrid. After I tamped the bottom layer, I put the geogrid down, and now we'll backfill on top of the geogrid, just to give this landing here a little bit more added stability. Then we'll use a piece of fabric right here, where any rock or anything could travel down and sink. We'll put this fabric somehow, you get the picture, somehow like that, sunken down a little bit to prevent anything from moving. Then he's down here screeding away, almost ready to lay some pavers, huh, bud? What do you think about it, man? You happy with your screed?
Dude, I'm happy.
I am too. It looks mint. I have to give you a raise. Filling in the screed rail channels, huh? I guess that's what you call them. What would you call that?
I don't know. A screed trench?
Screed trench. Okay. I'm down with that. Filling in the screed trench. Money. Alright, let's get back to it. We're gonna backfill over here. Here is where we are, everyone. The end of day 4. Ben's got this walkway laid in the outer border, dry laid so that we're ready to trace and cut tomorrow. We have a total of 7 steps installed with sidewalls. The grass is just going to continue right to the bottom of those steps into the edge of the pavers. Up here, we're ready to set another step tomorrow and then build another sidewall over there, at which point we'll have another landing ready to screed and put pavers down. Ben's already got that one screeded, so we're looking really good. Sorry I didn't tape most of this top landing we just did. Didn't really film much of that, but it's kind of rinse, wash, and repeat with this work. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys stick around and watch the video to come and check out the next part of this process. We're going to day 5 tomorrow, and hopefully by the end of day 5 we'll have our walls and our steps built all the way to the front steps. Might not have all the pavers put in by tomorrow, but that stuff should be done. So once again, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you hit that subscribe button to check out the next video, and also check out all the videos I have on my channel from last year, 2021. So until tomorrow, guys, God bless.